we're cleaning the back of my bus. It's actually fairly clean, but just by taking the 88, this stuff here, if you buy it, little messed up bottle, you just spray it on there, and all that nasty oil, which it didn't look like it had much oil on it to begin with.
Yeah, that actually looks more oil than it's actually there.
Yeah, it just eats it right off.
And it's biodegradable. Ready?
Yeah, spray it down. Haven't done any scrubbing or anything yet.
But we will. Because it'll leave that streaky thing going. See that?
I like the 88.
What's that?
So I like the 88.
Yeah.
Clean my bus.